Hello, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Merritt, and today our objective, we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 19, but our objective today is I can subtract to find one less. So the past few weeks we've been working on putting things together and using addition. Today we're going to start subtracting or taking away, okay? But only by one today. So I thought it would be a great day to read 8 Silly Monkeys. And as we go along, we're going to do a little math, okay? So I have 8 monkeys on the screen right here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what we're going to do as we go through the story, we are going to figure out how many monkeys will be on the next page before we turn the page. So here we go. 8 silly monkeys. I'll just move you back. Okay, perfect. 8 silly monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Okay, so we have 8. Now one fell off, so we're going to cross one out. How many do we have left now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if we were right. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." What number is that? 7. 7 silly monkeys skipping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So we've got to cross out one more because we've got to subtract one because he fell off and bumped his head. How many are we going to have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 6 silly monkeys tumbling on the bed. Look at it. One fell off and bumped his head. We've got to cross it out. One more fell off. Can you pause the video and tell me how many monkeys we have left? You can write it on a piece of paper, or you can just show me with your hands. How many monkeys do we have left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we're right. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." What number is that? A 5. Good job. If you said 5, you're right. 5 silly monkeys dancing on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Okay, what do I have to do? Up to our picture here. I have to cross one out to show one less or subtract one. Can you show me on your fingers or write down on a piece of paper how many monkeys we have left now? If you had 5 and you subtract 1, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's make sure my fingers match my picture. I love to check my work. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I did it on my fingers and I looked at the picture and it all says 4. Let's see if our book says the same thing. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4, right there, 4. 4 silly monkeys eating on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. These monkeys are so unsafe. So we had 4. We took one away. Now let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3. And let's check our picture. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we're right. Help me here. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, No more monkeys jumping on the bed. What's this number? 3, very good. 3 silly monkeys swinging on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Okay, so if one fell off, we have to cross him out. How many does our picture show that we have left? 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. Let's see if the book matches what our answer is. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys swinging on the bed. 2. I see a 2. 2 silly monkeys sliding on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Oh no. So we had 2. We crossed one out. How many is that? Just 1. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys sliding on the bed. What number is that? 1. 1 silly monkey spinning on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys spinning on the bed. So if we had 1 and 1 fell off, how many do we have now? 0. Oh, these monkeys are so silly. It says nobody mentioned anything about jumping on the couch, though. I don't think that's a very safe idea. I hope you had an awesome time reading this story with us. I know today was a little bit of a different lesson with our story and just crossing out animals, like the monkeys. But what I want you to do is this. You can pause the video if you don't have some way to print this page. And what I want you to do is, with the help of grandma or grandpa or your aunt or your uncle or a brother or sister, or maybe you can even read the problems yourself. That would be awesome. You're going to read the problem and cross out how many it tells you to cross out. Like this one says, the cat ate 3 mice. Cross out 3 mice and write how many are left. So in this box over here, you're going to write how many are left. But if you don't have a way to print this one page out, you can pause the video right here and you can either draw some pictures of your own, if you want to draw a cat and some mice and then a little box and put your answer in there, or you can just send me the answers. You can just put a little box with the numbers in it to answer each question. I hope you have a great day, kindergarten. I'll see you later.